Good, my butterflies? This is Simply Kavia back with another video. Hope everyone is doing fine and God bless you all. In today's video, as you see in the title, I'll be installing a 22-inch HD Amazon closure wig. So stay till the end to see my process. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel to become a butterfly, my love. Thank you all for clicking on my video. Despite me being gone for a while, I greatly appreciate it. Now let's get straight into this video. So to start off, I will be bleaching the back of the lace because it's more denser, takes longer to bleach. When you start coming towards the front, it will all start becoming one color and it'll be easier to maneuver. And then it'll be better to wash it off once it's done completing to bleach and rise in the color. So that's why you can see me smoothing it out. I didn't want it too thick or too thin, but I wanted to make sure that I got it all over the lace. Now that I'm done, I'm making sure that it's not on the front of the hair and that it's only on the lace, and I'm going to wait 10 minutes to let it process. Now that the washing is done, it's time to put this wig on. This wig is 22-inch, 180% density wig from Alibonnie hair on Amazon. The wig did come a little thin, but because I had oil in it, it made it thinner. But once you blow it out and get it dry, it becomes a little bit thicker. Still a little bit thin, but not too thin as 150% density. So as you can see, it's a 5x5 closure, very much HD. I cut the lace before putting it on my head because I feel like it will lay better. So here's some new glue that I found on Amazon from You Desire. They have remover in the glue and it comes with 2 sticks to apply it on your head. Now here's me showing the bag that it came with. It doesn't have Alibonnie on the bag, but it's an Amazon bag for the hair. Trying to get a little thumbnail, but knowing I'm not using it with my lace not on. So anyways, try to enjoy the music and watch through. You guys can skip through if you guys like. The video is only 13 minutes long, so make sure you guys go to the part that you're interested in seeing. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. LOL. Hope y'all don't mind me having my little concert here. You know, I had to listen to music turn up. So enjoy this little concert that I'm having, you guys. LOL. Drop something in the comments. Drop Riri in the comments. Drop music in the comments. Drop turn up in the comments. Period. As y'all can see, I'm trying to cut some layers into this unit to give it a little bit more depth, a little bit more motion, a little bit more something, because it was very much thin. I would recommend adding a bundle to this unit or cutting layers to really give it that effect that is something really going on there. You know, I tried my best to get some in the front. I really could have went all the way down, but make sure you guys subscribe. Yeah, period. 10. So yeah, I'm gonna shut up right now. Adding a few curls. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at LaCavias at the bottom right of this screen. It will be on the rest of this video, so make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. My TikTok is la.kaviaa with 2 A's. I'm very appreciative. Make sure you guys go see what's up and stay in contact with me. Make sure you guys DM me any ideas you want to see me upload on YouTube. So I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, look at that, ladies. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay. Anyways, bye, y'all. You guys, this is the finishing product. This is how it came out. It looks a little bright or a little not blended in because of the light, but actually it's very, very much realistic. I got a compliment from a lady who said I made it look real, so I'm very, very grateful for the talents that I have. And this is my first week to ever look like this. But make sure you guys stay tuned for the next YouTube video that's on, period. Thank you for watching my butterflies. I love you. Mwah.